Hey guys, it's Madden Mobile Baller back here again today with another pack opening. We're doing a 5x5 of just random stuff, so let's just get into it. This is going to take a little while, so that's not a bad way to start with a K. 1K. 200, that's pretty trash, but who cares. 400. 400 again. And at the end, we're going to see what sets we can complete with the stuff we get. There's an 800. That's better than what we've been getting. Okay, now we're into the Easter Blitz first win pack. That wasn't too bad. No, that wasn't too trash either. Sorry if I laugh. I have a friend in the background that keeps on laughing at me. That was completely trash. Oh, that's not bad. I'll just add him to a set right now. Okay, this is the worst packs that we're opening right now. If we can pull the Elite, that'd be good. I haven't pulled any Elite from one of these in forever. Come on. Bang. Oh, it's better than bronze. Go from this side. Oh my gosh, they're all bronze. This is bogus. More bronze. Now the quick sells. I opened one before the video and got 25K, and now I feel like I'm gonna get completely trash. 700. 900. Okay, I have faith in this one. Last one of these I did, in the middle one, I got 10K. I guess it's a 600. Oh, 10K, let's go.
Bang.
Same thing as the last pack opening. I'm not even mad if I get completely trashed on the other ones. Yeah, I'm not even mad. Alright, now we got the exchange pack. Horrible. Same thing again. Horrible. Horrible. We're gonna set the world record for the worst packs. Let's go. We're beating it right now. We beat the world record. We got all bronze. Let's go. Let's see what sets we can complete. Actually, you know what? I'm going to save it for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.